In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view attachments in an Outlook email thread. When you're working in a long email conversation, it can be confusing to figure out exactly where a file was sent, or whether you're looking at the latest version. Outlook gives you several ways to see attachments in a thread, and once you know where to look, it becomes much faster to find what you need. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Locate the email thread that you know contains attachments and click to open it. You can open it either in the reading pane on the right or double-click to open it in a separate window. Both views work for checking attachments, but a separate window can sometimes make it easier to see everything clearly. With the conversation open, look near the top of the message. If the most recent email in the thread has an attachment, you'll usually see a paperclip icon next to the subject line, and the attachment itself will appear right below the message header. Here, you can click on an attachment to open it, or right-click to save it to your computer. This is the simplest way to access files if they were included in the latest reply. However, in many threads, attachments are buried in earlier messages. To see those, scroll down through the conversation. Each individual message in the thread will show its own attachments, usually beneath that specific message's header. Take your time scrolling and keep an eye out for the paperclip icon and the attachment name under each message. When you find the file you want, click it to open or download, just like with the most recent email. If your Outlook is set to show messages individually, instead of grouped as a conversation, you can still manage this easily. Return to your inbox view and look for emails with a paperclip icon in the message list. That icon tells you the email includes at least one attachment. Open any of those emails to see the file, or sort your emails by the paperclip column if you want to quickly gather all messages that contain attachments. One more tip. In some versions of Outlook, especially on the web, you might see an attachment summary or a small panel that lists all files for the conversation together. If you see an option like View All Attachments, click it to get a consolidated view without scrolling through every message. By consistently watching for the paperclip icons, checking each message in the thread, and using any View All Attachments options available, you'll be able to quickly track down any file in your Outlook email conversations.